Welcome everyone to Appétit. All the ingredients are going to be listed down below, so let's get started. I purchased a fully cooked rotisserie salted chicken. You can also purchase one that is not salted. Also, you can decide whether you want to leave the skin and the fat. In this case, I did not leave either. I decided to give the chicken a complete shred. I do not like bulky chicken in my soup, so I maybe did it a little over the top. Next, I went ahead and chopped half an onion, and then went ahead and chopped cilantro. You're going to go ahead and add your canned goodies. First one I'm starting off with is whole kernel corn. Then I went ahead and added enchilada sauce. After the enchilada sauce, I added the diced tomato. And last but not least, I added black beans. Then you're going to go ahead and add the chicken, onion, and cilantro. You'll add 3 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of water. Because none of the canned goodies were drained, this is more than enough to add, trust me. Last, you will go ahead and add your seasonings, which is taco seasoning, salt, pepper, and chicken seasoning. You will then bring it to the slow cook and allow it to cook on high for 4 hours, and then let it cool down on warm for 2. Once it is done, you will know. It smells amazing. And it looks so beautiful. And last but not least, this part is completely optional. You can go ahead and add some shredded sharp cheddar and some tortilla strips with avocado. It makes the soup taste amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. There's nothing better than a soup on a cold winter day.